Have you ever seen course flyovers on TV and wanted one for your club? Have you ever thought it would be too expensive? Well, stop right there. Here at Zoom Tech Media, we specialise in creating affordable, tailor-made videos for all your marketing needs. So if you would like a course flyover or a promo video to showcase your club, we can help. By using the latest drone technology, we can create engaging flyovers, giving your members and visitors a unique perspective of your club. Each video is tailor-made especially for you. By using custom graphics, logos, perhaps even getting your pro to talk through each hole, you can really show off the character of your club, whilst increasing social media engagement and website traffic. With a variety of packages and fast turnaround, what are you waiting for?